नमस्कार दोस्तों आप सभी का हमारे YouTube चैनल मैथ्स मैनिया में हार्दिक स्वागत है। सो फ्रेंड्स, उम्मीद करते हैं कि आप सभी लोग क्लासेस का आनंद ले रहे होंगे और अपने घरों में सुरक्षित होंगे। सो फ्रेंड्स, टुडे आई ब्रॉट here of class 9th maths chapter surface areas and volume. We are studying the exercise 13.2. Question number 9th first part we have completed. Here we are going to explain you the question number 9th second part of it. In the first part, it is given that find how much steel was actually used if 1/12 of the steel actually used was wasted in making the tank. Right friends? So as already it is given in the first part, the question, diameter of the tank is 4.2 meter and radius is, if diameter is 4.2, so radius is the half of this, radius will becomes half of 4.2, that is 2.1 meter, and height of the tank is given 4.5 meter. So first of all, we need to find out the total surface area of this cylindrical tank to find the amount of steel used to make this tank, right? So let us find out the total surface area of the tank. So total surface area of the tank equals to, as you know that the formula, 2 pi r into r plus h. So substitute the values. 2 pi is 22 upon 7, radius is 2.1 meter multiplied by radius 2.1 plus height 4.5 meter. So let's simplify it. 7 3s are 0.3. So we got 44 into 0.3 multiplied by, this becomes 6.6 meters square. Okay friends, so let's multiply it. 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12 and 13 multiplied by 6.6 meters square. So we have to multiply this 13.3 into 6.6 into 6.6. So we can, 6 3s are 18, 18 1 19, 6 1s are 6 1 7, 7 98, 8 17, again 17 and 8. So we got 87.78 meters square. 87.78 meters square is the total surface area, or you can say the total surface area of the steel used to make this tank. As we got the total surface area of this cylindrical tank is 87.78 meter square. अभी इस क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया है, फाइंड हाउ मच स्टील वॉज एक्चुअली यूज्ड. ये जो सरफेस एरिया हमने फाइंड किया, ये तो सिर्फ और सिर्फ सिलेंडर का टोटल सरफेस, मीन्स इस सिलेंडर में एक्चुअल जितने स्टील यूज हुआ है उसका एरिया आया. लेकिन जब इस टैंक को बनाते समय कितना स्टील लिया गया था, आफ्टर दैट टेकिंग दैट स्टील, इसमें दिया है क्या, स्टील वॉज एक्चुअली वेस्टेज टू मेकिंग दिस. सो लेट अस फाइंड आउट द एक्चुअल स्टील वॉज यूज्ड. लेट द एक्चुअल steel was used that is x square, x meter square, x meter square. Now, as it is given that 1/12 of the steel actually used is wastage. So, let us find out the wastage steel. So, therefore, wastage steel is equals to wastage steel is equals to 1/12 of x, right? Now, this steel is equals to this actual steel minus the wastage. So, actual steel according to the question, actual steel and wastage, actual steel minus wastage steel equals to total surface area of tank, right friends? So, actual steel was x meter square, wastage 1/12 x, and the total surface area of the steel is 87.78 मीटर स्क्वायर. अभी इसको सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ x. दैट विल बी योर आंसर, which was the actual steel used to make this. Okay, taking LCM 12. So 12x minus x is equals to 87.78. So you will get 11x is equals to 87.78 multiplied by 12. So x is equals to 87.78 multiplied by 12 divided by 11 meter square. Now let us simplify it. So इसको simplify करते हैं by 11. 11 7 जा 77. 11 7 जा 77. So 10 is remaining. 10 107. 11 9 जा 0.9 99 and 11 8 जा multiplied by 12 meter square. So let's multiply it. 12 9 जा 96. 12 8 जा 96. 12 9 जा 108 plus 9. 108 plus 9 is 117. That 11 is 12 7 ja 72 plus 11. 72 plus 11 is 12 7 ja 84 plus 11 is 84 plus 11 is 95. So 95.76 meter square is our actual answer of this question. What? So the area of steel sheet required for, so area of actual steel used is 95.76 meters square for the tank, right friends? So in this question, see once again the solution of this question. क्या दिया है कि this is our tank whose diameter is 4.2 मीटर और उसका रेडियस 2.1 मीटर दिया गया है. उसकी हाइट, if diameter is 4.2, so radius half of that is 2.1 meter. Height is given 4.5 meter. After that question is asking find how much steel was actually, इस टैंक को बनाने में एक्चुअली कितने स्टील यूज किया गया होगा, जिससे कि 1/12 ऑफ द स्टील वॉज एक्चुअली वेस्टेज इन मेकिंग दिस। तो जो भी स्टील लिया गया उसका 1/12 वेस्ट किया गया, स्टील लिया गया 1/12 वेस्ट हुआ। सो दिस afterwards it is equals to the total surface area of the tank that your tank is made with this steel. So after writing and simplifying we got 95.7676 meter square was the area of the steel that was actually taken for making this tank. Okay friends, see the question number 10. In this it is given in the figure is given in front of you. In the figure you see the frame of a lampshade. It is to be covered with a decorative cloth. This lampshade is going to covered with decorative clothes, this lampshade. Now how to cover, this is given. First of all the information of the frame is given. The frame has a base diameter 20 centimeter. ये frame किस shape का है? It is a cylindrical shape. The diameter of the base of that frame is 20 centimeter and height is 30 centimeter. Its height is 30 centimeter. Now a margin of 2.5 centimeter is to be given for folding it over at the top. 2.5 centimeter at the top it is given for folding extra, and 2.5 centimeter for the bottom to cover the frame. Find how much cloth is required for covering the lampshade, right? So as the information is given, see the solution of this question. इसके solution में क्या दिया है? First diameter of the base is given 20 centimeter. As diameter is 20 centimeter, so its radius will be 10 centimeter. इसका radius क्या होगा? 10 centimeter होगा. Diameter is 20 centimeter, so radius is 10 centimeter. Now height of the frame is given 30 centimeter. Height of the frame is given 30 centimeter, but you are going to find out the area of the cloth for covering this lampshade. जब आप इसको कवर करने जाते हो तो कवरिंग में क्लोथ 2.5 centimeter at the top and 2.5 centimeter to the bottom. What is given? A margin of 2.5 centimeter is to be given for folding it over to the top and bottom of the frame. Means 2.5 centimeter at the top, 2.5 centimeter to the bottom. Means how much height is required? That 5 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter at the top, 2.5 centimeter to the bottom. So this height is going to be changed. So for the cloth height becomes this 30 centimeter is actual height of the frame plus 5 centimeter is increased. Why 5 centimeter is increased? Because 2.5 centimeter at the top and 2.5 centimeter to the bottom. So 2.5 plus 2.5, that is 5 centimeter. So the height becomes 35 centimeter for the cloth. So now you are going to find out how much cloth is required. So required cloth for covering this lamp is equals to, therefore required cloth for covering the lamp is equals to chord surface area of the cloth. Chord surface area of cloth means we have to take the height of this cloth, that is equals to 2 pi r into h, that you can say capital H if you are taking height of this cloth is 35 centimeter, right? Okay, now substitute the value. 2 pi is 22 upon 7, radius is given 10 centimeter and height is 35 centimeter. Simplify करते, 7 5s are 35, 5 2s are 10, means 22 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 centimeter square. So therefore you got 2200 centimeter square is the cloth required for the lampshade, for covering the lampshade. So the answer we need to write down. So that 2000, therefore 2200 centimeter square cloth is required for covering the lampshade, covering lamp. Understood? So once again understand, ये जो लैम्प स्टैंड दिया गया है, लैम्प स्टैंड की हाइट एक्चुअली 30 सेंटीमीटर है, लेकिन इसके टॉप पे 2.5 सेंटीमीटर क्लोथ इंक्रीज किया गया और बॉटम पे भी 2.5 सेंटीमीटर इंक्रीज किया गया. सो जो क्लोथ होगा उसकी एक्चुअल हाइट 5 सेंटीमीटर इससे इंक्रीज करेगी और हमने उसमें 5 सेंटीमीटर ऐड किया. सो वी हैव टेकन द हाइट ऑफ द क्लोथ फॉर दैट सिलेंड्रिकल शेड is 35 centimeter. Now required cloth for covering lamps is equals to this 2 pi r h. Simplify किया, that we got 2200 centimeter square is the area of the cloth for covering this lamp. Okay. Okay friends, let's see the question number 11. The student of a Vidyalaya were asked to participate in a competition, and this competition was for making and decorating pen holders. This was the competition for making and decorating the pen holders. The shape, this pen holders is in the shape of the cylinder with base using cardboard. It is in the cylinder with base, but there is not a top of this. By using the cardboard, each pen holder was of radius 3 centimeter and height 10.5 centimeter. The Vidyalaya was to supply the competitors with the cardboard. There were 35 students, that competitors, how much cardboard was required to bought for the competition. Okay, first of all we have to find out the cardboard required for one competitor, right? Of radius is given 3 centimeter and height is given 10.5 centimeter. So see the solution of this question. For the solution of this, for cylindrical pen holder, radius is 3 centimeter and height is 10.5 centimeter. This pen holder is given that it is in the shape of cylinder using with the base. So the cardboard required for one competitor is equals to, therefore cardboard required for one competitor equals to chord surface area of cylinder plus area of base. Chord surface area of cylinder plus area of base. Chord surface area formula 2 pi r into h. 2 pi r into h plus area of base, as you know that base is in the shape of circle, circular it is, so area of base is pi r square because area of the circle is pi r square. Now substitute the value and simplify it. So 2 pi is 22 upon 7, radius is 3 centimeter and height is 10.5 centimeter plus pi 22 upon 7, radius is 3 square centimeter square. Okay friends, now there is given this is the area of cardboard required for one competitor. As it is asking that question is given, the Vidyalaya was going to be supply for the competitors if there were 35 competitors. So cardboard required for 35 competitors is equals to, therefore cardboard required for 35 competitors is equals to, we have to multiply this by 35. So 35, and just see what is common in this. 22 upon 7 is common, so take the common 22 upon 7. So the remaining is 2 into 3 into 10.5 plus 3 square, that is 3 3s are 9 centimeter square. Simplify करते हैं, 7 5s are 35, so we got 5 into 22 110, 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 111 multiplied by 3 2s are 6 multiplied by 10.5, so 6 5s are 30 and 6 5s are 30, 6 zeros are 0 plus 3 and 6 1s are 6, 63 plus 9 centimeter square. So let us add and multiply with 110, that is equals to 72 centimeter square. So simplify it, 0, 11 2s are 22, 11 7s are 77 plus 2 is 79. 7920 centimeter square cardboard is required for supply for 35 competitors, right? So this is your required answer. Answer to be written, what is asking the question, how much cardboard is required? So this is your answer. Required answer is, so 7920 centimeter square cardboard is required for 35 competitors. Right friends, so what we have done in this, पहले तो हमने एक पेन होल्डर्स का एरिया फाइंड किया, व्हाट दैट कार्डबोर्ड इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर वन पेन होल्डर. सो एक पेन होल्डर मीन्स उसका क्या फाइंड करना था हमें, वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट द कॉर्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द सिलेंडर प्लस एरिया ऑफ बेस. कॉर्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द सिलेंडर इज 2 pi RH एंड एरिया ऑफ बेस इज pi r square. सिंप्लीफाई किया, आफ्टर दैट वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट द कार्डबोर्ड रिक्वायर्ड फॉर 35 कंपेटिटर्स. 35 से बस इसमें मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया and simplified, we got 7920 centimeter square is the area of the cardboard required for 35 competitors. It means this much area of the cardboard is to be supplied for the Vidyalaya, for students, for the competitors. Understood?